Hi guys, Halloween is coming, not for another month or so, but it's that sort of time of year when the shops are selling Halloween items. I spotted these pumpkins. These are actually for cooking, they're not for carving. But I thought I'll make myself a pumpkin battery. So I got one of these little LCD clocks. Got a battery in it at the moment. I'll take the battery out, put a couple of wires in there to connect up to. A bit of copper strip, a bit of magnesium. We'll plug it into there and we'll run a clock off the pumpkin. I've done other videos on doing the modification here. It's no big deal. Just take that battery out. And then solder a bit of wire onto that contact and that one. The battery, the outer case is the positive and the inner one is the negative. So that means that one is the negative and that one is the positive. Copper goes to positive, magnesium goes to negative. You can't solder onto magnesium, so I use these little press clips that will grip onto the magnesium for me, and I can put a bit of wire in the other end. Right, I've got some convenient red and black wire. Okay, nicely tinned. This bit of copper was actually a copper pipe that I split down the middle and hammered flat. And I've used it before, as you can probably guess, so it's already got some solder on it. It's going to take quite a bit of heat to warm it up. That's probably not good enough. Because it's such a big lump of copper, it's taking the heat away from the soldering iron very quickly. Well, I think we're okay now. Right, this one. That one will be easy, that one will be a bit difficult to get to. Okay. As I said, that one is the one that is at the bottom, which is the negative. And the other one is the positive. To be on the safe side, probably fill that up with a bit of hot glue. Right, just a little dollop of hot glue in there to make sure they don't make contact with each other. Let that cool down. Right, quick test using the existing battery. There we go. So that one's going to go in there. And we want a bit of this magnesium strip. On the floor. You see this has got a fair bit of oxidation on it. You could rub it with a bit of sandpaper. Or just scrape it. I'll just cut a bit of a point on the end of that, so we can just push it straight into the pumpkin. Right, there we go. Put the soldering iron out the way for now. Lift the camera up a bit. Oh, that's quite hard. Right, copper. And there we go. There's our pumpkin battery. I might see if I can put a bit of blue tack on there or something just to hold it in place. Oh, because we've got to set the time yet. But yeah, I'll set the time and date. And I'll get a little tray to sit on it in case this goes soft and mushy. See if we can remember how to set the time and date. Okay, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 5. Oh, didn't set the time, did I? 9, 5, 12 a.m. It's actually 2 p.m. and hang on, let's get the exact time. 2:48. I was too slow. Come on. 9, 5, 2. 248 according to me. Okay, so that's our time and date set. If I press that one more time, does that flick from one to the other? Yeah, there we go. So, pumpkin clock. To add to my little display, we've got a tea bag clock and a soil clock. So we'll have all three of them next to each other. I've just stuck a toothpick in the top of it, and it's got a little stand there anyway. So there we go. A month or so ahead of time. I think for now I'll put it in this empty container. A little bit of a tight fit. But if it does start leaking, at least we'll collect the juices in there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave me a comment so I know how I'm doing.